So if you are an entrepreneur that is looking for a real pathway to Canadian PR by building or buying a business in Canada, then the new Brunswick Business Immigration Program, it's one of the most practical options in the year 2025. I'm a licensed Canadian immigration consultant based in Toronto, Canada, and in this video, I'll walk you through the actual rules and regulations as of 8th of September 2025. So this includes eligibility, the points grid, how much you can invest, residency parameters, and some people get confused with the term liquid funds. I'll help you out what this really means and how the draws that are conducted, how they work. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so it's a provincial nominee program for experienced owners and senior managers who will actively run the business in the province, and it uses an expression of interest and selection factors point system. So the province invites top applicants to submit their applications, and successful applicants come into the province on a work permit. And then of course they'll have to operate the business and then request for provincial nomination. And of course that's after meeting the performance milestones. So once your business has operated for about 6 months, you can submit a request for nomination. So here's how will the entire process flow once you are ready to submit your application. So first of all, you'll wait to get an invitation. If invited, you'll submit your full application and you'll pay the $2,000 application fee. If approved, NB will issue a support letter so you can apply for your work permit. Business establishment. Relocate, operate, and meet the 75% presence, residency radius, make your eligible investment, and create that one job for a Canadian PR. Request a nomination after 6 months. The province will validate your performance and then issue you a nomination. Now, your business must be a private sector. That provides economic benefit in the province. The province also issues a list of ineligible business models. Review that list before you finalize your business concept. Okay, so you earn points for age, language, education, experience, adaptability, and the business concept. The minimum threshold is 65 points. Strong business plans and proven management experience make you more competitive. NBA does not publish a fixed draw schedule. Invitations are issued as needed based on inventory and provincial needs. To track real-time draws, monitor NB's official invitation to apply page. As of September 3rd, 2025, the program is open and nomination requests can be made after 6 months of operation. Now make sure your business is comfortably within the 100 kilometers range. Build a cash flow budget showing settlement. Make sure to keep payroll, tax, lease, supplier, and hiring records from day one. They are very important for your nomination request. Program language and forms can change. Always double check province's official website before you act. So that's a real picture of the New Brunswick's Business Immigration Program. This is one of the most structured and reliable immigration program in Canada today. If you're looking to immigrate over to Canada and you need some sort of legal or professional advice, you can book an appointment at the given link here. I'm a licensed Canadian immigration consultant based in Toronto, Canada. We'll have a detailed chat about your personal and professional profile in which we'll do a complete assessment and we'll let you know how to move forward. See you soon. Thank you.